Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to order prints from Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application. Then you need to select picture what you wanna or pictures. You can also order more than one. So let's say this one. Press and hold the photo and then you need to find order photos. You have the same name and icon for iOS and Android. Sometimes this application have different names, especially if you want to save multiple photos. But right here I have the same. So click order photos. Then you need to select photo book or photo print or canvas. So I'm going with photo print. At the left side right here we have the size, so you can click on it and increase it, but it will also increase price for this photo, so you need to know it. And let's say you increase it, then click apply. You can also go to the edit, more edits, and you can edit this photo. Then click done. After you finish, right here you can select copies, how much you need, only 1 or 2, 3. Just click at the plus to increase it, and then click next. So you need to write your delivery address and then select location, I mean pickup location. So after you did it, you should write your card number, and then you just scroll down and click buy, and you need to pay for it, and then Google send you this photo. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.